guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking a little bit about the products that I use in my locks and also kind of give you guys a 5-month update. My locks are 5 months old, almost 6, but not quite. And I was supposed to do the 5-month lock update with my husband, but our schedules we just couldn't get together, and I didn't want another month to pass without doing a lock update because we did not do month 4 either. I think the last lock update we did was month 3. So I kind of want to be consistent with the lock updates, keep you guys updated on what's going on with my locks and the changes and all that good stuff. The stuff that people like to see, you know? The growth, especially the growth. We love the growth, okay? I only use oils in my locks. I don't use like products or anything. It's just because like I don't want any buildup. And I know in my wash lock video I retwisted using mango and lime lock gel. I have updated that product as well. I do not use that anymore. I use flax gel in my hair. I like it so much better. Now I have used the aloe vera plant, like where you take the plant and, you know, blend it up and put your oils in it and use that, but it made my scalp itch so bad that that was a one-time thing for me. So I went to the mango and lime lock gel and I actually like it, but I saw a post that Curly New Growth posted saying that it causes buildup on the inside, like the buildup that you can't see. So I decided to try the flax gel and I actually really like it. This retwist here, I mean, it's obviously time for me to get another retwist, but it's not super bad. As you can see, my hair is still kind of twisted. And normally my retwists come undone. So I think I'm definitely going to stick with the flax gel. Actually, I know I'm going to stick with the flax gel for now. So my normal wake up and go routine is basically spraying my hair with either regular bottled water or my essential oil water. My essential oil water consists of rosemary, lavender, and peppermint essential oil, my favorite. So I just kind of spray it on my hair, you know, before I go and shake it and go. And this is just regular water. I normally use rose water, but I'm out, so I didn't have the container to share with you guys. But I love rose water. I love the sweet smell it gives your hair, and it actually does add a bit of luster to it. The oils I use on my locks are 100% Jamaican black castor oil, tea tree oil, vitamin E oil, and jojoba oil. Oh, wait, can't leave out the coconut oil. Who doesn't love coconut oil? So normally what I do is, instead of just sitting here like pouring each of the oils into my hand and then in my hair, that's very tedious. I like to keep it simple. I normally just put it into my spray bottle and just spray it on my hand and rub it through my hair after I've wet my hair with my water or my essential oil water. And I do that because, of course, we all know we wet our hair and then we seal it with the moisture. Water is like the moisturizer for your hair. So yeah, just spray it with water, then I rub my oils into it. And I normally oil my hair about once a week. I don't know if that's not enough or not, but I just think it works for my hair. Like, my hair doesn't really require that much oil. I don't think, I mean, it gets dry, but not like so dry to the point where I'm like freaking out trying to, you know, put oils in it all the time. My hair does retain moisture pretty well. So I just do that probably once a week, sometimes twice. It really just depends. It kind of just depends maybe on the weather or something like that. If it's super cold and, you know, your hair gets a little bit drier. If it's hot, you really don't need it because it's like humidity in the air and stuff. So I just kind of go with the flow and kind of let my hair tell me what I need to do. Instead of just obsessing over it, I kind of just let it do what it do. Like, I'm not really worried about the the process. I'm not rushing the process. I'm just kind of enjoying the journey and just loving the changes. It's like your hair's like the season. Like it changes. It blooms, it blossoms, and it grows. It's awesome. Alright, so now let's talk about how my hair is coming along. As you can see, my hair is, I don't even know my hair texture, honestly. I kind of probably need to know. Because it's like a mixture of all different textures. It's like some, I have really tight curls, and then like at the ends it's loose. In the middle it's actually locking up, as you can see. Yeah, those are the big boys. And in the front it's kind of just, you know, taking its time to lock up. They're not swelling as much. They still have like the curly ends, and yeah, but so far looking good. Like I said, I'm not rushing the process. My hair is gonna do what it wants to do. Now those little balls at the end of my locks, normally I pull them off, and I always beat myself up for it because I know that's probably part of the journey and probably what your hair is supposed to do. I see so many people saying that they have those little balls of hair at the end, and we all pull them off. I think they're actually supposed to be there. I'm guilty because I just don't like those little things. Now, I just said I let my hair do what it do. I kind of lied a little bit. I take them off. But other than that, I let my hair do what it do. Seriously. Woo! My hair is popping, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It's actually growing. It's grown a lot since I first started. You know, I started off with the 2-strand twist, and they were little. Okay, they stopped like right here, and now my hair is covering my neck tattoo, and that's how I know it's growing. So yeah, we're making progress. I'm just gonna keep hanging in there. I have no plans in starting over. I cut my locks. I love my locks. I love my hair. It's a beautiful experience, a beautiful journey, and I definitely plan to stick with it because it's just who I am. My only regrets is that I did not start sooner. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you like my videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, world peace.